Introducing the 2012 Volkswagen Routan. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include front bucket seats, front and rear reading lights, removable floor console, a roof rack, and air conditioning. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Third-row seats provide an even greater maximum passenger capacity. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Volkswagen also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.